Strong man, no, life now it's hard. So as a man, there are a lot of expectations that, especially we women expect sometimes, not all the time. But stay strong, fight there. So we love you guys.
Yeah.
But.
Bona Kena le Mang, 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 Bona re tla le Mang, Bona re tla le Mang. Eskimile bafana ba le bua, ya dipolo. Eskimile banyana ba le bua, la metolo. Eskimile bafana ba le bua.
This is the show, your favorite show. Bona Kena le Mang on my right side.
Sphalaphala from Marothi again.
You already know what it is. Bona on my left, Kena le Mang.
It's Sharon Mashabela.
Sharon Mashabela. That's what's up. Yeah, Sphalaphala, you already know what they both do. So yeah, I'm with Sphalaphala. Kichake today, what about the interview? Like, there's two people, I was like, This one, Manala, I was like, yo, Manala ka sharp, but don't check out Manala. Today get this at the So, but by the way, yeah, it's Sphalaphala Lena. Since Ki Sphalaphala, I was like, what? So yeah, anyway, I discovered much about myself. Yeah. So guys, I'm gonna ask you just a couple of questions. There won't be changing. It's only about a few questions. Yeah, you just answer. So yeah, the first question that I'm gonna ask you. After that, I'm gonna ask you about the path that you guys have chosen, like the stuff that you are doing now. Nothing difficult, just some simple stuff. Okay, so first question is that, as I both know, you guys go to the concept and all that, you meet people. When going out, king the first thing you like clothing, you got makeup, you got. So what is the first thing that you think about?
Well, with me, it's always smile and the energy. But the same energy, I need to maintain it and make sure that I keep it to myself, because I'm not a reserved person. I want to socialize, I want to make friends and connect with my fans, my supporters out there, because that's what always happens. Like, so this is you. So I make sure what energy I get on point. Overdo, I get too much. So it's always
word energy and
smile.
Energy and smile. Energy and smile. Okay. Sharon, what do you think about Roto Joey? Before we enjoy, what is it that you think about?
Yeah. Your question is very tricky, but it's simple at the same time. Okay, you would say, as she said, energy is the first thing. Keep that smile on always. But I heard you talking about sort of like accessories or something. I always think about your money. That's the first thing I think about.
What? Money?
When I go out, I always have to. I need to have money. Always. Because you never know what happens out there. Always have something.
Okay.
In the pockets. But
Money. Okay. Yeah. Oh, I feel you. Okay. The second question is like the challenges as you guys go to Liberia. What is the challenge like face? Like the challenge. Like sometimes we feel like it's a bit of a challenge. You go to your fans, to people that love your work and all that. What is like until when I get a challenge?
As I work with people, the biggest challenge that I come across is working with different types of people, different characters every day. Mood swings, someone comes being certain somehow, I don't know, you get me. So different characters, different personalities, it's a challenge for me. I do love working with people. It's nice, I love my job a lot. But you have to always keep your cool. Always smile. Keep everything according to order, even if you know you're working with different types of characters.
Okay, Sphalaphala, your challenge.
I'll always speak for myself because as much as she said, we are not in the
same thing. But that's
same
why I say you guys both work with people, even though listen the same.
So now with me, like I'll find people by what they expect a certain sentiment from you or a certain I expect a certain energy or a certain attitude, and then like if I or me being myself, but like I'll show up to a place and then someone when I was bored I'll show up to a place and then Sphalaphala too much, it's always the case. Mara, what I believe now I stay true to myself, who I am, whether I go whether I go haufi, like if it's energy I'll go to Ramarishani, I'll go to Mutatema, like if it's energy because I treat my people the same.
Same energy.
Exactly. So I think I got what I expected. I mean, you can't compare myself, the real me, in person, lady, video, more the actor, so you must just understand. These are two different things.
Okay. You heard what they say. So you guys are some like foodie. Most of them like what I got to before challenge I get to I forgot to later with your movie. Okay, like you said, that's okay. So you guys what are selling the food? What are like related to food?
We are. I am, but I don't really normally eat good event in general. Due to personal reasons.
For you.
So I would rather buy broad to strategy, less bright
But we are foodies, But we are.
Okay, maybe to meet you, I said, what I got sorry, no, before cage. So, okay, anyway, Sharon also do music, right? Am I right? Upcoming. Okay, upcoming. Upcoming. What can you say? Okay, what can you say? What can you say to her? Since I go to the music industry,
I told you, right? I said you're good. Like she's got a good voice. One thing about her is that she was singing, like to save her life, unlike myself. This one, when it comes to singing, my sister, you need to go to idols now. She knows.
So okay. Between you guys, Kimang or you feel like energy between you guys, energy it's more like right now she's gonna be the first to like go. Okay, so this one around okay, now that's a pamora.
She does. That's what she's doing. She's doing this one.
Okay, so another question is that as you guys this industry, so there's two things that this question a lot of people, I don't know why answer in different ways, but there's like two so the question is between money and power, what would you choose? Money or power? Money or power? Money or power?
Let me be honest with this one, guys. I'd rather choose money. This life needs money. If I get money, power will come. Trust me. If I get money, people will respect me. Because that's how you maintain your power. But when all they have money, they are powerful because because the boys and the boys are gonna get the hands. So power because instructor to get demand, I want this, I want that. At the end of the day, I'm broke. So what's the point?
Money or power?
Obviously, money.
Money.
Always.
Okay.
That brings everything. Not everything, but If you have money, you have a lot, even power will come.
Yeah. You feel me? I feel like this is one of the greatest answers because obviously money comes with everything, power,
Exactly.
respect, and all that. So if you choose power and you don't have money, who's gonna respect you if you have power and you don't have money?
I wish to have money.
Okay, you wish to have money.
I really do.
That's your biggest wish.
That's my biggest wish.
Yeah.
Trust me, even God knows. When every time I pray, I be like, please God, even if it's not enough, but let it be, enough to cover all the needs that I want for me and for my family as well, and for the people that I look up to. I mean, the people that I take care of, so that we'll be happier.
Okay, I feel you.
I
feel you. You know, women, bachaba dilo tsa go fapana. Like, oh, mbatla go tsa gore bachaba lefene, yo mo tsa gore nna ke tshaba logoto, nna ke tshaba eng. So yeah, this question. People, here are some of the things that people see you guys and think, because most of the people maybe they think you are perfect and all that. So yeah, we're trying to show them you are just as human, as them. So they don't have to expect much from you. When they already flaws, they have to know you are human. You feel me? So yeah, this question is getting into why chava the most. Getting into why chava I can tell me on this
Should I name one?
Yeah, you can name maybe 3, 4.
3, 4.
Yeah.
First thing first, it has to be a human being. I'm afraid of a person. I love people a lot, but I'm really afraid of people. That's the first animal that I'm really, really afraid of. And secondly, obviously, I'm afraid of snakes. Like on a snake, little hokology.
Yeah.
So yeah, those are the things that I really fear the most.
Snake, logokology, but the biggest kirato. You feel me?
The name.
You feel me?
People. Run away.
People. Yeah. I won't get close to you. I have a chava.
No, we do live with people.
So I feel you guys. Yeah, I feel you. I know what she needs. I don't know chava nabat. Alba village. So okay, yeah, Sharon.
Yes. She already named one, obviously. But a rat. I'm afraid of rats. Like I hate rats.
Okay, as I was saying, the things that you fear the most.
Yeah.
Chava.
Reptiles, man.
Yeah.
Reptiles.
Yeah. All reptiles.
Oh, yeah, all reptiles.
Yeah.
I hate them.
Yeah. She's afraid of. Okay, so here comes another question. What is it that you do when you are home? Like when you are free, when you are not maybe doing what you do at your job, or whatever. Yeah, what is it? Like a hobby or your friends are that's the question. Game. Hobby until we hear I knew none or what I I don't start what I can enjoy that already.
I don't have anything I do that people don't know about, especially when it comes to hobbies.
Yeah.
I believe that all my hobbies are out there.
Yeah. So yes, Sphalaphala guys. So what are those things that you do wrong?
Yeah, basically what I mean is if you see me acting on your phone, getting Twitter and get at that time, because I'll look at myself in the mirror, and then the hobbies. I know the passion, but at the same time, it's getting hobby. No, I'll rather read, some scripts online or read some articles, transformationally, acting. It's all about talent. It doesn't matter. Music, but I'm not really much into music. But it's music, acting, writing, producing, content. You know.
I'm totally really expecting guys I own. I won't worry me about Palakarati sometimes. Never goes to church again. We are who we are. About to have a Honoble Sphalaphala. So, guys, unfortunately, you must try to shit in your Sharoka.
One thing about me, I'll tell you the real me, you know, and I'm not faking anything.
Yeah.
What you see is what you get.
No hidden talent.
No hidden talent, honey. No, like literally no hidden talent. So Bona. And you guys are amazing, gonna like, of course. Thank you so much for that.
You already know. Shes, I should say I have people to mention something. They really expect our yeah. So, Shes, can you turn on your fans out there, your people that love your work, and all by like, yeah, hobby and two era
Yeah, there's a lot, but they are not all okay. They are all related to the same thing. Yeah, my hobbies. Yes, okay. Of course, being a beautician is my hobby.
Yeah.
I'm doing what I love the most. I do all sorts of things: nails, hair, makeup. Sell women's cosmetics. Also, I'm an upcoming artist. I'm still getting there. So also that's my hobby.
Yeah.
It is my hobby. And another thing that people don't know about is that I'm not sure. Some they do know, some they don't. I'm a photographer.
Yeah.
And a videographer. Especially on the weddings. You know, when I'm out there. And another thing is drawing. Yeah.
Give you drawing out. Somehow, I'm this house. I'm just kidding. So, drawing.
That's more. You know, everything that's related to being an artist.
Yeah.
Everything, as long as it's about art. Being an artist. I'm in there.
When you said videographer, my guys at the back, the videographers were like, huh? That means what you want to go to. You know what? I think I should fire them and hire him. I'm kidding, but he's learning that. But he's learning that song. That's what I'm going. Now we are to watch a video on here. Now we are going to okay. Yeah, so Sharon Raro, the talented child, what you do, you so one of the things she runs when she's not here is videography, take photos, singing. So that's what's up. So what do you like to say to your fans before we go to the end of the show and before another question? What do you like to say to your fans? I'm gonna start with anyone as Sphalaphala. I'm sure your fans are hungry right now, waiting for you. Working and talk about someone serious for real. So I'm gonna say a guy.
For real,
If I was not a guy, maybe then I'm gonna get a part of them. So say I'm one of those people. What can you say to me? If I wanna be like you, let me not say you, be like you.
First thing first, shout out to my fans. You know, you people have been there, man, since day one. You are there with me. You know, I've won so many things. I'm actually gonna get emotional right now. I hate this thing. Because I've won so many things because of my fan, because of, the way they love me, the way they believe so much in me. We've managed to host the most important awards in South Africa as the main host. That was huge for me, guys. I cannot thank you enough. Shout out to you, And one thing I can tell you is that it's only your love, your support, your encouragement that keeps me going, I'm where I am because of your love, because of the support. Like, I can't emphasize this enough. I really appreciate you guys, and keep on loving. Please do not ever give up on me. You know, I'm a human being, as he said. Let's expect that much from us. We are still, you know, one step at time, one step. And then another thing, I had a lot of people complaining about I don't respond to their inboxes. Like, guys, how do you respond to over 500 inboxes on a daily basis? And I mean it in everything I say right now. TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, how do I do that? I don't have a PA or a manager. Sometimes so be patient with me on that level or on that state. We're gonna get there soon. And I really appreciate. Please keep on loving me, and I'll keep on keeping on. Get disappointed, but
right. Yes, sir.
Yeah. You know, you know?
Yeah, what to you guys? Guys, stop that. No,
we are changing. Like, something. When you start working with different people from different platforms, pressure because now, let's say another company or hire 15 years, and then you connect with those people, you share numbers with those people, now you are in contact with those people, and then now at the same time we are going with company, you meet 17 people, still you have to connect with those people, and then it makes them, you know.
I feel it.
So sometimes we get like when we respond 15 years old, and if you wish or respond but you wish but other than that, it's all love, it's all fun,
it's all love. It's all love. Okay, so Sharon, it's your time now. What can you say to your fans, all the people that you work with, to everyone? What can you say to them and everyone that wants to become shares? Since you're gonna go into the music industry, that means it's gonna be big for you. So what can you say now? Where you can look back at what you said now and see like, yeah, but I told them and whatever. To those people that want to be like you. I know people Manala right now, what you're doing is really great. And I remember at that time. Let me not say this, but okay. You gotta be Manala. Okay, not like that, stuff like that. But yo, you know what? Shout out to everyone that's doing that. That's really a nice thing. Because I'm like, but anyway, enough about that. So yeah, Shares, what can you say to like people that want to be like you, become you and all that?
I'm your fan, remember?
Yeah, she's a big one.
Yeah.
Yes, a big one. So to everybody out there, I love you guys. I love you. To all my fans, love you too. And my customers and my clients and everything. I love you guys because you've supported me since day one.
Yeah.
Because as I said, give it a back.
Yeah.
And the give out you one of the rank band support.
Yeah.
So all the love to you guys out there. So and at Sharon Salon, it's always open.
Yeah.
You can book your appointments, you can do, call for everything. You can even come to my studio. And please like, share, and subscribe to my social media platforms. Including Sphalaphala Marothi.
You already know, sir. Right now. Yeah, you should come here.
She will tell you her social media platforms because mine it's Sharon Salon on Facebook and Instagram, and then my personal pages is Sharon Mashabela, Sharon with an E. Even if you search my work, it's Sharon with an E. Yes, and on Instagram is shares_d_mesh, shares_d_mesh. And please support, and I'll also support you guys.
That's
as an upcoming artist also. Now, as I said, it's more like a hobby to me, but I do love it. You get it? So bit by bit, we will eventually get there.
Yeah.
You're gonna support Elena, like so thank you.
That's so, bro. You know what's up? To those people by know what I want to share, to those kids out there, like she said, but I can know, you know those kind of guys. Yeah, to all those people, those are your guys, those are your people. Yeah, before I go to the last question, I would like to say, fans. I don't have many fans. I don't have those fans, but what I can say, okay, thank you, my friend. What I can say to my fans is that, guys, really, mostly I get a side because since I have a side here, cause really those dates, like the restaurants, serious and talk and all that. Make sure you do your nails, man. Make sure you do your nails. Can you do a little bit wave? Nails, guys. Like clean your nails.
Who said you?
Yo, guys. Yeah.
Were this said in a men's conference?
This one.
Which item was this now?
Item number 4. It was very important.
No, on behalf of the ladies.
Yeah.
On behalf of the ladies, please. Thank you.
Oh, you saying it to the man?
Yes, actually we were saying Basanji Badiramana. So I'm responding on behalf of men, I can respond on behalf of us. We don't mind at all. As long as you guys can give us the money. We'll definitely
I get feeling because let's start a little bit now what I'm saying, we're Masai. Make sure you have your nails look super. Not nails fair. Make sure. Let me skip it. So
you didn't say anything about Kota. You might as well just give that person the money so that I can manage. I get maybe I shine la go dira manal mara ga mo fa chelete for tsa mo dira manal o wa dire so rena re ka se bolele too much ya gore lena re le fa chelete di haircut we didn't say anything about haircut rena re le rata le anyhow so now if you ya ka dira ka hear me out guys hear me out I mean like if le ya ka dilwana you might as well be willing to pay for such. No, I don't mean to get to live.
Oh, yeah, for you. Man, after this, if you to receive a call from the men's conference. You know what? You know what, guys? Big shout out to Sphalaphala. Big shout out to Shares. We're gonna continue this. Right now, I'm gonna say to them about the updates about anything they're planning on doing and all that. Sphalaphala wakarati and all that. I'm kidding. So yeah, we're just gonna like need updates from Shares and not what's the next thing, what she's planning on doing, where she's going, and all that. So yeah.
So on my side, I have an upcoming event on the 16th. When was it? On the 15th. Yes, on the 15th of April, on Friday. It's a piano shutdown. You can go and check it out on my personal page at Sharon Mashabela. You can check it out and Bongo Bula Entertainment. So as I said, I'm an upcoming artist. So yeah, we have a gig. And it's just normal work. So nothing much. No, oh my God, I almost forgot that. That's the important one. Yeah, we have also a concert. Is it a concert, no? What was it?
It's a concert,
Yes, it's a Motlanalo concert on the 30th Kijanaga, 30th of April. It's a live concert. It will be led different artists, big artists will be performing there.
Yeah.
Also, there's some of them she will name them.
Okay, I feel you. Guys, make sure you come there. There's gonna be big artists, skinny artists, and all that. Make sure you pull up. I know when they talk about a lot of things, they leave us skinny people. So I'm gonna talk for you guys on your part. Skinny artists are gonna be there. Make sure that you come. So yeah, Sphalaphala, updates, any updates? Don't forget the movie.
So you're not referring to like future plans, right?
Yeah. Nah, don't tell them your future plans.
Share future plans.
Yeah, you want to hear it now? They're gonna hear it next time. Keep them waiting.
As for events, rekedi latke le jona ka lenaneo. Ke na le event ya my boy ngwana wa mopedi ko Marulaneng ka the 16th of April. It's a music concert, right? Festival, sorry. It's a music festival. Yeah, pull up guys. The ticket is just, reasonable. The price is just reasonable. And also the next one, I'm having an event go Meropa Casino, as she mentioned. Yeah, Matlanalo's live concert. I'll be doing red carpet. You meet all the big, and I mean it,
red carpet host
and bigger and biggest
and skinny.
Your favorite, I'm talking here about Bowini, all these big artists. Let me not mention them, guys.
Yeah.
Mara, just make sure you pull up. And then I also have an event, Go Joburg, Yamaral Online TV Market Festival. And then others, this are the whole. I'm also doing MC Komanyalo. So
yeah, do that.
Big busy MC and some weddings. So yeah. That's what's coming. And as for the movie, guys, as you know that we are on we are cooking something for you. So
yeah, make sure you follow the
something
page.
Something is coming, and make sure you follow the page at Rai Bupedi Lifestyle. You're gonna get all the good things. Yeah, as kokune. So when I get back
that's what's up. That's what's up. Okay, yeah. They're gonna so this is good. So yeah, they're gonna talk. The last thing goes to men. Then after that, they mention their handles. What can you say? So you guys are Labasadi. So what can you say to all the men out there? What are the abuse? What are the? But we're not gonna go to that. Just what can you say to the men? We're not going to talk about Robert Ambassador. Leave that to the police. So what can you say to the man and the man, Banana out there, Banana as Basadi? What can you? Because Basadi sometimes I feel like they are complaining, but they complain Jabona Adi Basadi Adi Riche where they want to be on. So yeah, a lot of Banana we complain, but most of them Banana Batuagalzo. So yeah. It's not a good thing. So what can you say to the man out there? And after that, you mention your handles. And then we're going to be closing. To the man, already we should have related to our fans. What can you say to the man? Okay, so anyway.
To all the men out there, we appreciate you as women. We love you a lot. And stay strong, man. Life now it's hard. So as a man, there are a lot of expectations that, especially we women, expect sometimes, not all the time. But stay strong. Right there. So we love you guys.
Yeah.
But.
She's joking.
Okay, guys, I'm joking. I'm joking. I'm just. But I'm joking. No buts.
I can think inside. I know you wanted to see my reaction. My insides were like, What? Sphalaphala. So what can you say to the men out there?
To our brothers out there. Yeah, as she said, we appreciate you guys, you know. Yeah, you guys are our rock stars. Keep on loving us, keep on supporting us, and most importantly, make sure that giving love is not only about with your woman. Make sure you support her dreams. Make sure you encourage her. Baby, how about you do a license? You know, how about you start a small business? Let life be all about, you know, the encouragement and all that. It's kind of about, so baby, it's very much tonight, you know? Motivate man. And most, this one, take care of your kids, please. Make sure you take care of your kids. And then, please, you are raising young stars, man. And now, Banaba know technology improving. They do it clear. I also saw na lekhala mo leng gore o no tseba gore na go dile re tseba gore botate mogolo rena ne ba phela makgone. But now as a man, generation and low, make sure you take care of yourself, you take care of your woman, you take care of your kids. The labona depression it will lower down. And then lily na le matata, make sure you talk, speak out, you know. Just gore monna ke nkulela teng a di sa bereka, guys. We are living on another platform now. So make sure that you
I go from nothing to let it. Yeah.
And not
a outside. Cry in the outside of the cover.
Yeah, so
anyway, so guys, it was nice having you guys. I want you guys to mention your social media handles and where they can find you. Yeah, if it's a business, mention it.
Hey yo, what's up? This is your girl, Sphalaphala, also known as Teshia Sekani. This is the only Mokoni one Shidi Holo Bona Kena le Mang. Thank you so much to Young Bros Entertainment together with my boy PT for hosting us today. It was a nice one. I had fun, guys. Please make sure you follow me on social media platforms, on Facebook, on Instagram, on TikTok. Sphalaphala _.
Yes, and also don't forget to follow their YouTube page at Young Bros YouTube and Noko Media Constructions.
Definitely.
It's your girl talking, Sharon Mashabela. You can follow me on all the social media platforms, Facebook and Instagram. Facebook, I'm Sharon Mashabela. Instagram is Sharon_D_mesh. And then on TikTok, it's Sharon Mashabela. And my page at Sharon Salon on Facebook and Instagram.
Definitely. We love you guys.
Big